Alright, I'm going to quickly show you how to put an end on a Cat5 Ethernet cable, but I've gotten entire bags of cheap Ethernet plugs that have little cracks in them, and whenever you use them they basically fall apart, so don't be cheap. You're going to need some crimpers. So these are RJ45 connectors, RJ45 crimpers. First thing to do is we're going to strip some of the outer sheath. Be careful not to mess up the wires inside. So I'm just going to score it a little bit, and then as I bend it, the sheath finally gives away. And if it's still stuck, there we go. Alright, so there's usually a little fiberglass one. Just cut that thing off. So now you're going to want to get them all straight as possible. Alright, so we're going to put these in the order. We start with orange, white, orange, green, white. This is for the standard straight through Ethernet cable. Then we have blue, blue, white, and then a green. Kind of trying to get them so they're not twisted around each other too bad. Then we'll do brown, white, brown. So now you want to straighten them out real good so that when you stick the connector on, when in doubt, you can usually look into another connector, see that you're doing the wires exactly the same, and that's to make a straight through cable. Now that they're good and straight, you want the wires to hit the end of the RJ45 connector, but you definitely want some of this blue insulation to be about right there, because it's going to crimp. This part's going to crimp on your outer sheath. So we're going to cut it off like so. We're going to get them kind of straight. Go ahead and stick it in there good. Going to kind of eyeball it this way, make sure they all went in. We're going to check our colors, make sure we did them right. And then we get our crimper. And voila! It is done.